I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to this vlog. If you're new here, karibu sana. I'm Caroline. I do homemaking videos, cooking, lifestyle, shopping hauls, and I was gone for a while. I was taking a much needed break. And guys, I'm so happy to be back. I missed you all so much, and this was me doing my monthly shopping haul. I have a lot for you in this vlog, so please stick around until the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and comment.
I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause
Some more coffee, some cayenne pepper. I got some tomato sauce. I got some lettuce to make some burgers later. I got some biscuits for the kids. I got bicarbonate of soda for cleaning. I got Ilara milk for making tea, 4 packets. I got Eden tea. I got some burger buns because I'm going to be making some burgers later. And I got some beef burgers, and I just realized that I've been making rice, chapati, ugali, and I wanted to make something different for the kids today. We haven't eaten burgers for so long, so that's what I'm going to be making later with some fries on the side. I bought mango juice, go fruit. I also got Zesta hot and sweet sauce. So I bought a maize for ugali as usual. Got some Blue Band 1 kg. I got some yogurts for the kids, Tuzo. For a maize, I got 2 of them, 4 kgs. And for ajab, I got only 1 because we have some left from last month. I got cane salt, some Mumia sugar, 2 kgs. I got Rina cooking oil, 3 liters. Hey, I'm always saying kgs. I got 10 rolls, 12 of them. And I also got these comfy tissues for my kids to take to school. I'm going to add on them because they need 5. I got Dettol as well, 2 packets. I got some sponges for cleaning dishes. I got my favorite toilet cleaner, LSF. This is so good, especially if your toilet has stains. It really takes the stains away, and when you keep using it, your toilet keeps it's sparkling white. I love it. I love it. I bought Menengai cream bar. I also got Nice and Lovely lemon extract. I love this because it's so good on my skin. I have dry skin and it works really well. I got Geisha. I want to try this a rose and honey soap. And I also got this lemon and honey soap. I want to try both for the first time. I got 2 small Vaselines. I got Ariel Lavender 1 kg. A small Salon antiseptic. I got 2 Nivea Dio. They were on offer. They were going for 350 instead of 500. So I took advantage of the offer. I got paprika spice. 2 packets of Bella wipes. These are for my son for taking to school. And I also got Molfix baby pants to use at night. This will last me for a whole month. And that's everything I got for this month.
I feel so stupid for falling for you. For falling for I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one night stand trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue. I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue. I miss you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I'm missing you. See you in my dreams, it's torture as it seems, but I'm missing you.
So guys, this was me going back home from work, but I had to pass by the salon because I was not able to complete my hair yesterday because of time. I ran out of time, so this was me going back to have it completed. And then I passed by the nail parlor later so I could do my eyebrows.
Missing you, make me blue. You make me blue. I'm missing you. You make me blue. Missing you, make me blue. You know I'm missing you.